Alright, here goes CJ into his bedroom.
What is it? Is that CJ's new bed?
What do you think, buddy? What do you think? You like it? Is it cool?
Doji, ouch.
Do you like all of your decorations up there?
Oh wow, look at that.
What is that, buddy? Is that Tampa Bay? Oh. Well, Mommy was right about that one. He's gonna pull that right off.
Mom?
Who's your bedspread? Who's on your bed? Oh, you want it on the wall? Perfect. Who is that?
Who's on your bed? Who's that on your bed? Huh? Who's this?
Mickey.
Yeah, is that Mickey?
Mickey. It's coffee. Mickey. Refreshings.
Where's presents? I think you've gotten enough today. Okay, no jumping on
No
the bed.
jumping. All right, come on, bud.
Are you happy? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Want to see something cool?
Press
Press it.
Push it.
Push it in.
Look. Look.
It has headlights, like Mean Green.
No, blue.
They're blue? Doji, you're not allowed in here. Doji. Safe zone. Lay down on it. Go sleep in at night. Show Mommy how you lay on it. Oh, I gotta shut the door.
Yeah. Nope. No.
Alright, now lay down. That's your new bed. Oh, well, let's not unmake it because it took forever to make.
Daddy, Mom.
Here, ready, set, woo! Now lay down. Go sleep in at night. Oh,
Yay.
nice big boy bed.
Yay!
Do you like your big boy bed? Should I get under the covers? Wait till Gavin and Gabriella and Maya see your big boy bed.
What? Real. Doctor.